So in this video we are going to create ordered and unordered lists. So an unordered list is when you have an OL tag and inside you have a list. Then we have some content. We can, for example, write cake, then we can write pizza, and we can say food. Okay, so we have the ordered list here, and then we have the unordered list. So this will be structured like this, and then we have pizza, and then we have food. So that's how the ordered list works. It's structuring in numbers. And then we have the unordered list, which will be like this. And then we're gonna have one here with music too. So let's see here. This will be structured with this sort of dot, and then it will say exactly the same content here. But it's actually easier to show in the web browser. So as you can see here, this is just the content we try to write, just plain text, and this is the content we wrote here. So as you can see here, the difference between these is one of them contains number and the other contains no numbers. And we can also go in here and say type 1, for example, and then we will have the same result because it is just numbers. But if we go in and say type A, it will go in and change it from A to B and C. And if we go in and say type A with capital letter, it will change it to capital letters. And then we can also go in and change it to woman letters, and we can go on like this. So the thing about it is you have the possibility to structure your content in a better way when you're writing lists for something.